Hello everyone, my name is João Paulo and I will present to you an overview of my research proposal for the master's degree in electrical engineer from the Federal University of Itajubá. My mentors are Benedito Bonato and Paulo Ribeiro, teachers. The title of my research is Use of Market Economic Model, TARO, that means optimized rate, to evaluate sustainable business scenarios of distributed generation condominiums, whose area of concentration and research line are, respectively, electrical power systems and economy of electro-energetic sector. This paper is proposed to evaluate sustainable business scenarios of distributed generation condominiums, contributing to the sustainable development of the mini and micro GD and the electricity distribution sector. The idea is to use the TARO to evaluate the proposed scenarios contributing to the sustainable maintenance of distribution sector. At the same time, it encourages the generation business distributed in condominiums. The relevance and justification of this research lies in seeking sustainable alternatives for the development of the mini and micro GD and the electricity distributors, knowing the importance of sustainable development of GD at the same step that evaluates optimized alternatives for new business for the power distribution segment. The figure below shows that the TARO is a market economic model based on the demonstration of company's value. It combines the EVA calculation methodology, popularized worldwide by the company Eastern Institute, with regulatory procedure of the Brazilian Energy Agency for tariff revision. And here we have the goals of the research. The major objective is the end of this work is to use the economic model TARO to assess sustainable business scenarios of the GD in condominiums. And we have 4 specific objectives. Lift the national and international state of art of the mini and micro GD and the distributed power storage system. Propose new models of sustainable business in condominiums for the distribution segment of electric power, and finally, evaluate from TARO efficiency of the proposed scenarios. The next slide, we have an overview of research methodology. The lifting of this state-of-the-art will be done through structured researches on internet, where the main electronic sites research and technology dissemination will be consulted, including Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, International Energy Agency, International Renewable Energy Agency, other national and international research and dissemination centers, national and international universities, and of course, regulatory agencies and associations will also be consulted, with main focus on Brazilian Energy Agency and Brazilian Energy Distribution Association. The scenarios will be proposed based on the national and international state of art, using a real and public data from an electricity distribution company. In here, I will study this organization, DME Distribuição S.A. Finally, the modeling of the TARO will be held from Microsoft Excel, considering 3 evaluation scenarios: distributor without mini and micro GD, distributor with mini and micro GD, and distributor with mini and micro GD, and new sustainable distribution services business. These tables below shows the steps to be undertaken and the schedule. This work began in January 2019 and will end in March 2020. This schedule also provides a month to possible adjustment. Finally, it is important to highlight that any cost of this research will be assumed by the researcher. Thus, the subside for this research will be R$0. So, this is the idea of presentation. Show an overview this research, and thanks for listening.